guys, welcome back to my channel Faru's Happy Plate. Today we are going to make chocolate sponge cake, which is very quick, instant and easy. But before we start, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Let's get started. For chocolate sponge cake, you will require 2 eggs in a large mixing bowl. Now I'll beat these eggs for 1 minute till the eggs become foamy. So you can see after beating for 1 minute the eggs have become foamy. So now moving on to the next step, we will add 2/3 cup of sugar gradually. We'll beat this and add the another batch of sugar. Now I'll add the remaining sugar and beat this again. So now after beating the sugar, you can see that this has taken a foamy consistency. So now we'll move on to the next step. Half cup of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter mixed with it, and pour this mixture into the cake batter. Beat this properly. Now we will take 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour and sift it to add this into the mixture. After this, we will add half teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'll add another half teaspoon of baking powder. So baking powder goes as total 1 teaspoon. Now I'll add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. We'll again sift the cocoa powder and add this into the cake batter. Now mix this mixture properly till all the ingredients become flowy. Now after giving it a good mix, we will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence into this and 1/4 cup of milk. Mix this properly. Now after the mixture is ready, we will add chocolate chunks. Adding chocolate chunks is totally optional, but just to give a nice crunch and good flavor of chocolate, I'll add some chocolate chunks. Now mix this properly. Do not beat this. Okay guys, it's time to bake our cake. I have taken 9 by 9 inch baking dish. We'll pour the batter into this now. I have lined with parchment paper and I have greased the baking dish completely. So do it accordingly. Now I'll pour the batter into the baking dish. So I've added this mixture into the tray. We'll tap it thrice. Bake this cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes in the OTG. Okay guys, our chocolate sponge cake is baked and it's ready to serve. First we will unmold this from the baking tray. We'll remove the parchment paper from the cake. Guys, we have unmolded the chocolate cake and it is ready to serve. Now I'll cut and plate this. So guys, our cake is ready to serve. I've garnished it with some grated chocolate. Isn't it amazing? Now we'll try this. It has turned out to be nice, soft and spongy. I have already posted my vanilla sponge cake recipe. These are very easy and quick to make. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment on my channel and my videos. Thank you for watching.